Alright, got a couple of my new beast sticks assembled here. I've got 4 total. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you like seeing videos like this from me, and hit that like button if you want to see more like this. My sticks have finally showed up. The second addition to my tree hunting saddle. Let's open this box and check these babies out. Oh yeah, that looks nice already. There's the steps. Here's the tree side. Let me get this thing put together and we'll hang one on a tree, try it out. Pretty detailed instructions in the box, but it's pretty simple. There's the bag with your strap and all your hardware. Doing this outside, a little windy, so sorry about the wind noise. Alright. These machine sides go on here. Machining is perfect. Of course, they should be. That's what Dan does for a living. So. Alright, the short bolt goes in the top side with the big hole. I've been putting a nut in the socket to get that one started. You can take long bolts and stick in this hole and get your antler bracket. This nut fits right in there, so you don't have to hold it when you're tightening. Now there's a 45 on this antler bracket and it needs to be facing down. Turn that back around. That's all there is to it. So you got these little caps. Clean up the end real nice. Now the Versa button, there's a medium length screw. It goes in there. And then I stick that nut in that socket again. Get it started. There's the Versa button. You just do the same thing on the bottom side. Shove down. And that thing is tight. The 20-inch B sticks, they were easy to assemble. This thing is lightweight and easy to hang up. When this thing is sucked down to the tree, it is solid. I'm really impressed with that, how solid it is. I've tried a few of these, and even tighten them down tight as you can, they have a little wiggle to them. But I like them. Another awesome feature about these things, they stack. They fit together real tight. And strap them together, and there's no rattling. They're good quiet. I really believe these B sticks are going to be money well spent.